Hey, how about we all get out the goal and let Kylan try to hit a kickoff goal. See if he can make it.
No.
Lorenzo!
What?
Did you not hear him?
It's part of the plan, bruh.
Fake freestyle? What are you gonna do?
What you mean?
Oh, I see what he's doing. No! He is so insane! Oh my gosh!
Think you got the stereo? Got video? Some more video?
Oh god.
Oh my god!
Nope, you thought.
No, Colin,
Yep, you thought two binkies. It's easy, Lorenzo.
Alright.
No,
yeah,
no
Colin,
boost,
we
no
gotta
problem.
Nice one, Shing Chong.
Yep, there it is.
Alright, Shane.
Easy 50.
Put my booty like a willy nigga. I'm for really nigga in a bed.
Oh, nice one, Lorenzo! That's
Thanks,
great
bro.
champ right
Thanks, bro.
there!
Grand champ, grand champ, grand champ, grand champ. Get big, get big. Grand champ gets big.
Oh, nice.
Oh, I almost got your ass. You can't
Get out
lie.
of here, maggot. Center that, center that, center that, center that.
Nope, I'm shooting. Oh,
Oh, you thought, Connor?
bro, we just missed. Fucking trying to
Going for a
demo.
run, though. Oh, yeah.
Oh, I got that demo though.
In the back, bro. Times it out.
Took him 448 to score, Lorenzo. No big
What
deal.
song am I listening? What song am I doing now? Fair song? Fucking.
That's on me, that's on me, that's on me.
Fucking.
No, it's both of us.
Lorenzo, it's wide open!
Satch it, satch it, satch it.
Yeah, I know.
Fucking.
Baby, I don't understand.
Stand it!
You're turning.
God,
What's
you
it?
guys are
Fucking.
absolute-
Kyle, when you see that white outline around my car, guess
Yeah,
how much
that's
that
like
costs.
$100.
Bruh, I'm supposed to guess.
Nice kick, Kylan.
Yeah, that was on par, alright, chill. Nice, dude. You're really good.
That's why your car got diarrhea.
Baby, I need you in my life, in my life. Baby, I know it with his eyes,
Hey, can we try this game, Chase? Maybe?
No, no.
You want me to?
Don't try. No.
I'll
don't
try if you guys try.
No, don't try.
I'm trying.
Oh, you guys
I'm
try.
not losing.
Alright, Kyle,
Dude,
you
I
got
just
something.
locked in Sophia. We're ready.
I can tell Chase is not gonna try this game.
Nice one, Connor. Nice one.
You guys are chasing already.
Yeah, damn right we're chasing. Cause you suck. I'm fucking just keeping it in the
All
air.
three of us just went up to that ball.
Nice. Oh!
Oh!
No, don't let him air trouble. Don't let him air trouble. He's gonna air trouble.
That's ease, Lorenzo. You're so good.
Jackson.
Come on, Jackson.
Oh my
What are you
god.
doing? Why are you on the
Look at
backboard?
Jackson did.
Why are you on the backboard?
He tried the fucking hook shot save that bitch. Look at this. He fucking cock yoinks.
Yeah, y'all are trying this game, huh?
Bruh. Oh my god.
Ow! Oh, we had a
Dude, that was 10 million IQ. Oh my god, I suck.
Oh my god.
The whole team
Bro,
sucks.
that's
Too bad I got the champ.
Oh yeah.
That's easy.
Oh yeah.
That's a light work. He's got full boost. He's got full boost. Run!
Oh, get off me!
Get it,
Hey,
Kyle,
watch
get
out,
this
bum.
What the heck, bruh? I missed it with the nose of my thing, dude.
Get big!
I know he's saying get big. Lorenzo just scored.
shit. Nope.
Oh yeah?
Aw.
What?
Nope.
What?
Nope, I didn't score.
You're supposed to score.
Oh my god. Oh, I got him. I got him. I got him.
Go! Run!
Oh no!
Go!
Yeah.
I read those.
Points? 64 points though.
Oh,
Nice.
nice shot though. Nice shot though.
Yeah, keep
Nice shot.
talking.
Yo, yo,
Oh
yo,
shit, they're gonna.
yo,
score.
yo,
Get him,
yo,
Vicky's
yo, yo.
No problem. No problem.
Sorry, dude.
Go. We got the momentum, baby.
See, they just gotta demo me.
Fuck right, no busy, fuck right, no busy, fuck right, no busy, fuck right, no busy.
Lorenzo, you just ball chase into your own thing, alright? I'm about to do something. I got an idea.
I got you.
Oh, you're gonna fucking miss us? You're gonna miss us 10 times?
Oh yeah, Kylan.
Oh.
Come on,
Yeah.
Jackson, you gotta hit
Strike.
that.
Oh my fucking god, bro.
Let's go.
Oh.
No, he's gonna flick us. Watch out, Jackson, watch out.
Retarded mount. Retarded mount.
Oh.
Blocked it, blocked it, blocked it. No, he has full boost, full boost, full boost.
Hey, I got
Run,
this.
run!
Oh shit, oh shit.
Oh my
Let's go.
god. Grand champ. Grand
No!
champ.
Dude, we're like falling over each other to hit the ball.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Guys, it's a 1v3. You guys are that bad. That whole round, I just try to go around and get all the boosts I
Look
see.
at this. Look at Connor just did.
Yeah, we don't need to talk about that. I miss.
I got it. Chase his bot.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Yep.
Oh, almost got the fake.
Yeah, nice
Oh,
get out here,
damn.
boy.
Ching Chong just got big bodied. Ooh, swerve! Oh, swerve to finish it.
Oh.
He's not gonna score, don't worry.
Damn me the bronze! Oh
Yeah,
shit.
there it is. Woo! I know you like that save, Lorenzo.
Yup.
I ain't see the same. So what's up with that?
Out of here, Connor.
He just got fucking bodied, Kylan. What do you mean?
Nice, Sid.
Yeah, that's what
Get
you
bodied!
Wrong person.
Oh yeah, that's it.
Yo. Yo, everyone. After this game, let's get on Rainbow and let's play it with our controllers.
Fuck no.
Oh.
Everybody play with their controllers on Rainbow.
No, dude.
No, let's play one rank game with controllers.
Oh, dude, I'm so
He's mad, he's bad. Macca's bad.
What do you mean I just
Oh,
scored,
they're about
bruh?
to score on you guys.
Oh
God,
my.
that was risky.
It just said save, bruh.
They're about to
Yep,
score.
yep.
Yo,
Oh.
get off the field.
Oh, he just sent you to the bench, bro.
Get off the field, huh? Get off the field. Come here, bitch. Come here. Come on, come on.
yeah.
No, he's gonna air dribble. Run.
Retreat through all, boys.
Everybody run. Yeah.
Oh,
Good
got
challenge,
to you.
boys.
No, Binky's your fucking. Oh. Calvin, get that shit.
Hell no.
Clear, clear. Yeah. Here you go.
Yo, yo. Shot.
That's all there, bro.
Shot, Jackson. Shot.
Whoa!
Center for no boost, gang. Oh shit.
Oh, guys. I got no boost.
We're fine.
Lorenzo, go
Not
score,
going
bruh.
good.
We're
Lorenzo,
fine,
go
these
score.
guys.
Plop!
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
that's
bad.
Go, 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 Connor. Run, 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 run.
Yep, there it is.
Retreat, retreat.
I'll take that.
Oh, make him, make him.
Go!
No. No,
Again.
Kylan.
Yes, Jackson, yes.
No.
Here you go.
Connor.
Oh
Yes.
my God.
Yo, Lorenzo, let me get the ball, alright? From the start.
Okay, I got you.
Oh.
Hey, how about we all get out the goal and let Kylan try to hit a kickoff goal? See if he can make it.
No.
Lorenzo!
What?
Did you not
all
hear
part-
him?
It's part of the plan, bruh.
Fake
What
freestyle.
are you gonna do?
What you mean?
Oh, I see what he's doing. He is so insane! Oh my gosh!
Dude, you're like, I know what you're gonna do.
It's all a part of the plan, bro.
Yeah, bro. We're gonna win this game.
Chase.
My boost. Oh, what?
Oh no. Oh, yeah, you
Oh.
took it.
Yeah, here you go. I got you. Nope.
Yep, strike. I like it.
we gotta do sweep one about to play. There we go.
Boop. Bumped him.
Oh, shit.
Shot.
Oh shit.
Oh yes! Look at
Oh
that
my
play.
god.
Look at this play, boys. Look at this play.
Okay, that's just fucking stupid, bro.
You act like this was IQ play.
That's technically IQ. That's IQ.
Bro.
That's
That's
grand
IQ.
champ, dude. Grand champ. Grand champ, dude.
Alright, bro. Let's get on Rainbow.
Fuck no.
No, boo.
Dude, that'd be.
Boo! Boo!
Dude, Kylan, I'm so bad with the controller. I don't even want to try.
Dude, let's. No, like that's the point. Let's get a rank game. Let's play a controller. Like I don't
Why,
care.
bro?
That'd just be fun.
Literally.
No,
when I
it
played,
wouldn't.
that would, we get fucking 4-0.
Alright, here. Then how about we?
Doggone, it wouldn't be
Alright, how
fun.
about then? How about we like 1v4 or something? You guys versus me.
I mean, that'd be easy done.
Kylan, you're not that much better than us. It's
On
not like
controller?
Rocket League, bro.
On controller?
Yeah, you're. Yeah. I'm sorry.
Alright,
you're
let's
not
bet.
I'm sorry, but we'd fucking
Okay,
blitz rush
I'm
your
down.
Let's
ass.
play then. Let's
Yeah.
play then.
Bro, we'd all
Alright.
play shields and
Alright,
then you'd
let's
be
do
game
it.
over, bro.
Let's do it, bro.
Nah, you
Alright,
can't play shield
hopping
off,
in a
bro.
private match on Rainbow?
You can't play shields.
No,
No, we
no
can.
shield.
No,
No.
we
You
can't,
can't say
bro.
rules. You can't say
No,
rules.
we're playing shield ops, bro.
The motherfucking Blackbeard, nigga.
Alright.
Alonzo, Odin is gonna say X is dead, ha ha ha, whenever Kylan joins.
Really?
Yes.
Nice.
At Chandler, you ain't slick. LOL. Why'd you say that about Chandler?
You were AFK for so long and kept moving you in and out.
He did?
Yes.
The one that just joined me in, like, that was actually me.
Oh. I thought it was Chandler because right as you joined, you left.
Right when I joined, I left? Oh.
Like literally the second you joined.
Hey, how's it going?
Doing good, how are you?
Good. And X is dead. Ha ha ha.